How to use Savings Wallet in Medatiq Markets. Once you log into your account, you will see the navigation bar on the left side. Here, you will find a section named Saving Wallet. Click on it. After clicking, your Savings Wallet dashboard will open. In this section, you can manage your savings and transfer funds to your trading account. Here, you can view important details like wallet status, wallet number, your available balance. Below this, you will find the transaction history section. In this section, you can see all your saving wallet activities and records. If you have not made any transactions yet, it will remain empty until you start using it. Now, if you want to add money to your savings wallet, here's how you do it. Go to the left navigation bar and click on My Accounts. Then click on the three dots next to your account. A drop-down menu will appear. From there, click on Transfer Funds. Now the transfer page will open. Here, select Savings Wallet. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Then click on Transfer to Savings. And that's it. Your amount will be successfully transferred to your saving wallet. You can now go back and check your transaction history, where your latest activity will be shown. So this was a quick and simple guide on how to use Saving Wallet in Medatiq Markets. Thanks for watching.